In this particular video, we're going to show you how we navigated this probate transaction in San Bernardino County. We're here at 3508 Spur Court in Chino in San Bernardino County. This particular property behind me was a very straightforward transaction. Because of the amount of volume that we do here at the Probate Brothers, we are a trusted resource in the industry. In this particular case, it was a fiduciary who trusted our services. For those of you that don't know what a fiduciary is a licensed individual that is a neutral third party that is brought in to manage an estate. When we first met with our client here at the property, we had to determine what needed to be done. The first thing was change out the locks. The second was, will the property be sold as is or repaired? Because we opted for as is, when we walked the property, we noticed two things. The foundation was cracked and the swimming pool was not working. Because of those reasons, we knew that this home would have to be sold to a cash buyer. Because we were selling the property to a cash buyer, we had to determine what would be the right price to market the property. Understanding that the repaired value for this home would be somewhere between 1.2 to 1.3, and with an approximate repair cost of, say, a couple $100,000, we felt that a cash buyer would be willing to pay somewhere in the $900,000 range for this property. After looking at the market and discussing with our client, we felt that the best opportunity to create a multiple offer situation would be to list a property at $899. Would we list something below market value because of the condition? We typically let the property sit for at least 7 days before we accept an offer. The reason why we do that is because by letting the property sit on the market, it will allow for it to have maximum exposure, which will also benefit our seller in that we can receive more offers. Ultimately, after being on the market for more than a week, we had a multiple offer situation and the property sold above the asking price. If you have a probate property in Southern California and you need a trusted resource to help guide you through the process, make sure to reach out to the Probate Brothers, and our contact information is below, and we're always here to help answer any questions that you may have.